man. That's what really counts, you know what I mean? I don't care about body count. I count money, bro. That's what's up, you know what I mean?
Do you even know what body count is?
Body count?
Yeah.
Damn shit, man. Body count. You're talking about body count. Just come on, man. I got my hands, I got my legs. You know what I mean? That's body for me, man. You know what? You know what I say? I don't care about body counts. I do money counts. You know what I mean? I got chains count. I got eyes count. I got money. That's what's up.
So just admit you don't know what body count is.
Body count.
You said body count your hands, your feet. That's not body count, my friend.
What's body count, bro?
Body count is like how many women have you slept with?
Oh really?
Yeah.
Damn shit, man. Damn that shit, man.
All right. I mean, you don't want to buy any car here, right?
You're asking me too many questions, you know. So right now I can't find no Bentley here. So
all right.
This is a poor place, you know what I mean?
All right.
I'm just gonna get something nice, you know what I mean?
All right.
They get it shot on my face, bro.
All right.